Hi there and welcome to Your Life Rocks, the place for working Christian moms to get tips and inspiration to create more balance in your life. And today I am at my desk working hard and I'm going to show you how I use the software that I use to plan all of my work projects and how I'm going to use that for my personal life, especially around holiday planning and gift giving and all of that, because I find one system just makes everything easier. And also sometimes when I start work mode, I get like totally focused into work mode and I kind of forget like, oh yeah, I was supposed to buy these gifts online while I was at work today, or do this during my lunch hour while I was at work today. So having it all into one system helps to keep me in balance a little bit more. So I'm going to show you exactly how I set the system up over on my computer and how you can really implement this in with your holiday sanity as well. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do, especially if you're a working Christian mom, because we have tips and inspiration to help you in your faith, career, parenting, marriage, finances, health, and friends and fun, and a few other areas as well. And if you already are subscribed, please make sure that you share this video with your other working mom friends. Okay, so if you haven't yet heard, Holiday Sanity is a free course that we offer inside the Your Life Rocks app. You can also get it by going to holidaysanity.com, and I'm going to link to it down below. Now, I've also done a previous video where I showed you my system and how I kind of plan my work for the week using Asana and Sunsama. Yeah, they're two different things. They sound a lot alike, but I will make sure I link to those down below, and I will link to the video that I did right up there, because this really piggybacks right on top of that system on how you can really be planning. So inside of the Holiday Sanity planning system that we have, it's really just a few easy steps. Number one is setting the intention for your holiday. Number two is making that master brain dump list of all of the things that are on your plate for the holiday season, from food, from entertainment, gifts, you name it, all of the things. And then we go into a little bit more of a detailed list, really breaking down what needs to be done in order to execute that. Then we move it on to our calendar, and then we start to simplify things. Now, what I'm going to show you really kind of fits in between that detail spot and the calendar spot. And I'm going to show you a little bit of what I mean. I'm going to share the screen so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so the next thing you're going to want to do is go into Asana and create a new project. Now, I'm creating a whole brand new project because Snoopy nice. I don't want anyone to see the Christmas list that I have. So you can just title it, I prefer the list view. You can always change to different views once you have it set up. But because we're taking that master brain dump list and then all of the details and putting it into Asana, this just works out a little bit easier. It's simpler, and you can always toggle to a different view if you want it later. So each section, you want to make them for things like gift giving, things like meals you need to prepare for, other events. And then you can see here where I have created my gift shopping list of all of the people that I need to shop for. And then under decorating, it has the other things that I might need to be doing, more of those details that have to do with decorating per se. So you can just continue on and put in all of the details from your master list and from your holiday sanity planning into Asana, making sure every single thing is covered. Now, when you go into each one, you're going to assign them to yourself. That way it shows up on your to-do list and imports into Sunsama as your tasks that are assigned to you. And then you can see here as like little subtasks, you can put in your actual shopping list. That way you remember exactly what it is that you're supposed to be buying or ordering online when you are importing it into your system. Now, once you have Asana linked to Sunsama, what you're going to want to do when you first get everything set up with Sunsama, it will automatically every single day when you're planning your day, import all of those tasks, and based on the due date, you can then move them over to your day. Now, I recommend that you use like the very first day that you're gonna start doing your shopping or doing your planning, whatever it is that you're gonna start on that task, because you can do like say 15 minutes of that day, or maybe do 1 or 2 of those gift buying for that particular person. And then at the end of the day, you can always click and drag it to the next day, or even Sunsama, because it's so awesome, will automatically push all other tasks to the next day. And if the next day you're not planning on doing any of your holiday prep, you can easily just click and drag it to the following day, the following week, whatever works best for you. That's kind of why I love it, because it's so simple, but it keeps you on task. Bottom line, we don't have to let the holidays become so overwhelming that we can't even manage it, because there are ways that we can still get everything done and not feel like we're losing our mind. So I hope that these tips and tricks help you out. I hope that you check out the tools down below, and of course, grab your free Holiday Sanity Planning course by going to holidaysanity.com, or you can pick it up right inside of the Your Life Rocks mobile app. Until next time, keep building a life that rocks. Bye.